Tired of fumbling with usernames and passwords every time you want to dive into TikTok? Well, you're in luck today. We're going to show you how to log in to TikTok using a QR code, making your life a whole lot easier. First, let's grab the device that's already logged into your TikTok account. This is the one that will generate the QR code. On that device, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the hamburger menu white arrow, those 3 lines white arrow. In the top right corner, a menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you see QR code. It's usually located near the top. Under the Account section, tap on QR code. This will display your personal QR code. Now, let's switch to the device where you want to log in. On the device where you want to log in, open the TikTok app. You should be at the login screen. Look for the Use QR code option, which is usually located right underneath the login options. Tap on it. Your camera will now activate. Ready to scan? Point your camera at the QR code displayed on your other device. Make sure the QR code fits within the frame. Once it's recognized, TikTok will automatically log you in. And there you have it, a super simple and secure way to access your TikTok account without typing a single thing. Now you can get back to enjoying all the trending videos and challenges. Happy TikToking!